Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to show you about the Google Sheet application on mobile phone, and I want to explain to you the way how you can edit the view only or comment only documents that you have from someone else. So if you really need to edit this document, you just need to open the Google Sheet application and open the files. So the view only format or comment only format will be show information down here, or if this information doesn't appear, just need to go with these three small dots and there will be information right after the title of the documents. So whenever the document is in a comment only or view only, you will have no ability to edit any cells inside of this document. Whenever you tap the cells, there will be no edit button. So whenever you tap it many times, you will not gonna able to edit it. If you want to edit this document, there will be two ways. First thing you have to do, go click the three small dots and request for edit access, and then wait until the owner of this document accepted your request. But then if you want to do it real quick, you just need to go click the share and export and go click make a copy, and then you just need to wait until the application copy everything inside of this document, and you just need to find the sheet that you already take or want, and then you just need to tap the cells. Now you already have an access to edit the documents right here. Just delete everything and just add the informations that you want to add here, and you're done. So this document will be saved as yours copy of balance table, so you can just change or do a rename for the title. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.